viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Online Everything. My name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a few dollars, up to $100, using paidviewpoints.com. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, and you want to get awesome videos on how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I post a new video, you're going to be the first to get it. So with that said, let's get into the video. With this paid viewpoint, what it does is they pay you for doing a service. And I know so many people hate doing service, because you end up using 15 minutes to do one survey and they tell you, oh, you're not qualified for it, and they don't pay you. But with this website, whatever you give, whatever answers you give them, whatever survey you do, you're definitely going to get paid. So even though you randomly click answers, you're going to get paid. That's awesome thing about this. So, and whenever they have service, they're going to message you, they're going to send you an email, and you come online and you do service. So they will pay you from 1 cent to $1, depending on how long you have been in the program, and depending on how legit your answers are. And so there's also a referral program that you can actually make more money from this. You get 20% of whatever your referral makes. So that's just all. So I'm going to do a live registration right now, show you how to go about it, to show you the insides of this paidviewpoints.com. So I'm going to click on register. So I'm going to fill in these details. So I'll fill in the details, and you can see this box right here. You have an activation code, bonus code. If you do not, so just leave it like that and click on next. So they are going to send you an email. So I'd have to go and verify it. So as you can see, my account has been verified. As you can see right here, for every information that you give for this registration right here, you're going to be getting 5 cents. So if I choose my gender, male, I get 5 cents. I choose a username. Let me just choose that. Then my first name or whatever, I can just choose John. Okay. I can put Justin. Whatever. This is just for the demo. Then you put your birthday. You can choose. Okay, let's see. Choose an age close, like reasonable. This is 94. Then May 17. So you click on next. So as you can see, you got $20 from doing 20 cents for doing that. Then you can choose your country. Okay, state, yes. Okay. Then you can put your address. You can put you see that. Okay, fine. Then you put your PayPal account. You put your PayPal. So I'm gonna use my PayPal, already used by another user, but this is mine. Okay, that has been sorted out. So click on next. Okay, now you just fill in this stuff. 4 years, degree, relationship status, single. Okay, no child, employment status, so I could choose part-time. Okay, so career, I could just choose advertising, optional, say that. Then complete registration. Okay, so after completing registration, you can choose, just click on accept. So as you can see, for just registering, they give me 82 cents. So, and you can see right here, this is my earnings, and this is my trade score, 500. What this trade score is it shows your activity with them. So the more your trade score, the higher how much you're gonna get for whatever survey that you do. So I'm gonna do a survey right now to show you that whatever you click, you're just definitely gonna get paid no matter how wrong your answer is. So we're just gonna fast track this. So let this load. We're just gonna randomly pick answers and see how much they're gonna give us. Definitely we're gonna get paid. I just wanna be cheap. I just wanna okay, random answers, random answers. So you can see random, random, random. Okay. We're not reading through, just random stuff right here. As you can see, I was paid 3 cents, and as you can see, this is not because I picked random stuff. It was because my trade score is very low. The higher my trade score, the more points I will get. So assuming I had a trade score, say half of this bar, my balance could have been, I could have gotten more than 20 cents for this survey, but I got 3 cents because my trade score was low. So as you can see, even despite I randomly picked wrong answers, I still got paid. That's the good thing about this. But the most amazing thing about this is that you can refer people. Now for referrals, as you can see, if we go to my dashboard, let's go to, if you click on this blue icon here, you see we brought to this place. You can see earn up to $25 for every new member you invite. Now every time they cash out, you get 20% of every piece survey reward they have accumulated. Invite as many as you want and as much as you can. Now this $25 doesn't mean what anybody that you, for every person that you refer, you're gonna get $25. You can get up to $25, meaning the maximum that you can actually get for one person is $25. So if the person that you referred has made up to $250, and you get doesn't matter how much the person has made, but you can only make $25 off of that person. If you have made up to $25, then you cannot make any more money, and so that's it for each referral. But now you can come here and get your invite link. So how did that come about this place? You just hover around the dashboard. You're not going to click it, just hover around it. You can bring down your cursor. You see this click on it, you're brought to this place. Now you can create your own referral link. Now this is my referral link. I can decide to edit this, change it to something that I want. I can just put on Justin. Okay, and save. Connection problem. Seems like they have this server problem because I'm trying to edit this stuff, but it's not working. But even if I reload the page, it's still gonna be the same thing. But you can do that when this server is better. Okay, so you can change this name, and this is a referral link. So anybody that clicks on it registers through your link, you're going to be earning 20% from them whenever whatever they make, whatever survey they do, whatever they get, they're going to be getting 20% for life. So you can just refer as much as you can. And the thing is that you get paid via PayPal, or you can get gift cards, Amazon gift cards. The reason why this thing you can't see the cash out right now is because I've not gotten to the threshold. You can only withdraw when you have made up to $15. As you can see earn $14.15 more to be able to cash out. So when I have earned up to $15, then the cash out option will be available for me to cash out. So with that, you can make a lot of cash. As you can see, they just give me 85 cents for just registering, and I just did just one survey. That's just a welcome survey. Hopefully they're going to be sending me more surveys to do, and I'm going to be making this a lot of cash here passively, while other people are actually still going to be doing it for me when I refer them. So that is just all for the video. I just found this, and I just said I should let you know. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to be put a link in the description below, so you can actually find your way around this. You can just click through it and then register, and you're done. Refer friends, refer family. So that's it for today's video.